Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So first off, I want to start by saying, I'm doing all this on my phone. I'm just starting out and my video editing skills are not the best yet, but it's pretty basic. So, you know, if you just hang in there with me, I'm trying to give quality content. So, you know, it is what it is. So today we got Teeka, picked him up at Target, and it was the other day I went to 3 different Targets, and yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, the soft plastic feels pretty nice. Not too many paint applications. And another thing, I'm not an expert at this. I'm not here to give like a review. I'm here to open it, show you, maybe give my opinion, and really just mess around with it, pose it, just kind of show everybody how it looks. See if we can get them to stand. This cape is kind of weird. Or whatever it is, robes. There we go. Alright. And then the gun, or blaster, it reminds me of like an old colonial times blunderbuss, if anybody knows what that is. Yeah, I'm a big history buff also. Alright, and there is really no trigger finger, so I think that's interesting. And whatever this is, I'm not sure. If anybody knows, let me know. I really haven't watched anything about him, so I don't know exactly what these are. And I mean like other videos about like reviews, I haven't watched any yet. Yeah, if y'all can see that on there, so. Yeah, I mean, this is my first Kenobi figure from the show, so I'm very excited to get the rest. I have all of them on pre-order, so. And then the Amazon Prime days, I got Ned B for 23 and Riva for, I think it was 17, I'm not sure. But yeah, let's get some close-ups on this and some comparisons. So yeah, here we have Teeka up close, and you could see some silver paint apps right there. Some gold for the eyes. I always wonder what these things look like under the robes, what they're supposed to. Just painted around, pretty basic, soft plastic, which you could take off if you wanted to. But yeah, and then, yeah, okay. I don't know, I don't want to do it, but I guess you could take the hood off. Let's see. pretty basic, whatever this thing is. And whatever this is, I'm not sure. It just looks like a bunch of, like a roll of coils or something. But yeah, I like it. I mean, you could actually get multiples of them and have a little Jawa army. That'd be pretty cool. But definitely excited for the rest of them to come in. And if I see them in the store, I'm gonna grab them, cancel my pre-order. But my Target, my local Target, is restocking their shelves tomorrow, Sunday, and they're resetting them and everything. So I'm gonna go in there, and it's shown for like a week at least that they've had Saw and Teeka in stock, but they've just been sitting in the back in pallets. I found this Teeka at a different Target, so. But yeah, very excited. Thanks for watching, y'all. And if you just like and subscribe and, you know, comment on the video, let me know what you think. Please let me know what you think of my videos. I'm always down for criticism, so yeah, I'm here to meet people, get to know people. Just let me know.